Hey y'all, this Ratchet Girl Tell 'em here to talk to you about my life, tell you what's ratchet. Okay, guys, I just want to tell you about how these people will come at me. They don't know. This is Pretty Girl Bounce, you know what I'm saying? Like, they don't know. Look, they call my family ratchet. They obviously don't know what that word comes from. It's like something that you attack people with. Yeah. It's like a knife type thingy. That's ratchet. They don't know. Like, they're dumb. It just doesn't make any sense. Anyway, I'll just let the haters hate because it don't matter to me. I don't care. Hate on me. I don't care. Gosh. Anyway, they call me ratchet, okay, but you make no sense to me because that's not a word. If you want to make ratchet like poor, no, I'm not poor, okay? If I was poor, I wouldn't have the stuff I do. I wouldn't have a shirt on. You know what I'm saying? Wouldn't make no sense. My bro got money. He got so much money, he has enough to give to his baby mama. I think that's enough money, you know what I'm saying? I pay child support and he still has stuff for himself, okay? That ain't poor, okay? Oh, I got some news. I'm having a baby, y'all. I think I'm gonna name him Tyrone Jr. after his daddy. He's gonna look real cute like his daddy. I'm gonna love him so much. And guess what? I'm getting married. He gave me the ring when he heard I was pregnant. I was real happy. I told my family and put it on Facebook too because I want this to be real, okay? Ain't no Facebook marriage. We real married, okay? We ain't going to the Justice of Peace. We're going to get married in Las Vegas when we get the money to go down there, okay? You know, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. But no, we're taking that baby out because I'm going to have the baby in Vegas too. They think I'm playing. Let me show you who's playing, okay? Look, I don't see why they want to hate on me, you know what I'm saying? This is Pretty Girl Tell 'em. Ratchet Girl Tell 'em, you know what I'm saying? Pretty Girl Bounce up in here. Wherever that comes from, you know what I'm saying? Start getting up here dancing, you know. You know what's ratchet? Girls shaking their booties, you know, that's ratchet. You don't see me shaking my booty, okay? I'll shake my mind, okay? Let that be known, okay? Okay. Anyway, you know, Ratchet Girl Tell 'em about to be outie on these because I'm getting a little too stressed out and I think Tyrone Jr. is getting a little hurt.